Hello students, current topic is nucleotides and nucleic acid chemistry. Mainly there are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA called deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA called ribonucleic acid. DNA is chemical basis of heredity and may be regarded as reserve bank of genetic information. DNA is exclusively responsible for maintaining the identity of different species of organisms over millions of years. Further, every aspect of cellular function is under control of DNA. DNA is organized into genes, the fundamental unit of genetic information. And gene controls protein synthesis through the mediation of RNA. And all this process called central dogma of life means DNA synthesize RNA and RNA protein. Now about components of nucleic acids. In general, nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotides held by 3 and 3' and 5' phosphate bridges. In general words, in simple word, nucleic acids are built up by monomeric units, that is nucleotides. Now about nucleotides. Nucleotide, basic unit of nucleic acid, composed of 3 components: sugar in nucleic acid, phosphate group in nucleic acid, and bases present in nucleic acid. Bases present in nucleic acid are purines, pyrimidines. Now, structures of major purines and pyrimidines found in nucleic acids. Here is structure of adenine and guanine. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Thus, nucleotide essentially consists of nucleobase, base, sugar, and phosphate. Nucleoside refers to base plus sugar, and nucleotide refers to nucleoside plus phosphate. Nitrogenous bases found in nucleotides are aromatic heterocyclic compounds, and two types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines are numbered in anti-clockwise direction. Wheel pyrimidines are numbered in clockwise direction. Adenine and guanine. Adenine, also called 6-aminopurine, guanine 2-amino 6-oxypurine. Cytosine, uracil and thymine. It is essential to know DNA never contains uracil. Uracil only found in RNA. So, in DNA we found adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, and in RNA adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Now, nomenclature of nucleotides. Before this, we must know about something about minor bases found in nucleic acid, such as 5-methylcytosine, N4-acetylcytosine, N6-methyladenine, N4-acetylcytosine, etc., pseudouracil, etc. Other biologically important bases are hypoxanthine, xanthine, and uric acid. Sugars of nucleic acid are in RNA D-ribose and DNA deoxyribose. In nomenclature of nucleotides, addition of pentose sugar to base produces a nucleoside. If sugar is ribose, ribonucleosides are formed. Adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, and uridine are ribonucleosides of adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil, respectively. If the sugar is deoxyribose, deoxyribonucleosides are produced. For example, adenine, adenosine monophosphate or adenylate, guanine, guanosine monophosphate or guanylate, cytosine, cytidine monophosphate or cytidylate, uracil, uridine monophosphate or uridylate. Likewise, thymine, thymidylate. When there is deoxyribonucleoside, then from adenine deoxyadenosine, and from adenine deoxyadenosine 5-monophosphate and or deoxyadenylate, guanine deoxyguanosine, that is ribonucleoside deoxyguanosine, and nucleotide will be deoxyribonucleotide. From guanine, deoxyribonucleoside will be deoxyguanosine, and deoxyribonucleotide will be deoxyguanosine 5-monophosphate or deoxyguanylate. Otherwise, and from cytosine deoxycytidine, that is deoxyribonucleoside, and deoxyribonucleotide will be deoxycytidylate, and from thiamine deoxythymidylate. Thymidine will be nucleoside. From thiamine, thymidine will be nucleoside. Deoxythymidine will be nucleoside, and deoxythymidylate will be nucleotide. Now binding of nucleotide components. Atoms in purine ring are numbered as 1 to 9 and from pyrimidine as 1 to 6. Carbons of sugars are represented with and associated with prime for differentiation. Thus for pentose carbon are 1 prime to 5 prime. In 9 of purine ring binds with C1 prime of pentose sugar to form a covalent bond in purine nucleoside. In case of pyrimidine nucleoside, glycosidic linkage is between N1 of pyrimidine and C1 of a pentose. Hydroxyl group of adenosine are esterified with phosphate to produce 5 prime or 3 monophosphate. 5-hydroxyl is the most commonly esterified, hence 5 prime is usually omitted while writing nucleotide names. Thus, adenosine monophosphate represents adenosine 5 monophosphate. However, for adenosine 3 monophosphate, abbreviation 3-AMP is used. Now functions of nucleotides. Nucleotides are building blocks of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. ATP is universal energy currency of living system. Cyclic nucleotides such as cyclic AMP and GMP act as second messenger. Nucleotides are a structural component of a number of coenzymes. They act as carrier of certain metabolic intermediates of carbohydrates, UDP, glucose, lipids, CDP, acylglycerol, and protein as S-adenosine methionine. UDP galactose, UDP glucose, GDP mannose, cyclic-AMP neurodynamic, cyclic-AMP NUAC, and GDP fucose, UDP xylose, UDP galactose, NAC, and UDP glucose, NAC. These 8 molecules are known as nucleotide linked sugars, are important constituent of glycoproteins. Now a structure of biologically important nucleotides. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, 3-phosphate, high energy phosphate bond, attached through anhydride and the phosphate attached with nucleotides through ester 3-5 cyclic AMP. Now synthetic nucleotides. Therapeutic application. Synthetic nucleosides cytarabine and vidarabine, in which ribose is replaced by arabinose, are used in chemotherapy to treat cancer. Allopurinol is used in the treatment of hyperuricemia and gout. Synthetic analogues such as 6-mercaptopurine, 5-fluorouracil, 5-iodouracil, 3-deoxyuridine, 5 or 6 azauridine, 5 or 6 azacitidine, 8 azaguanidine, 6 thioguanine are widely used by oncologists. They are incorporated into DNA just before cell division, thus blocking cell proliferation. Drugs such as zidovudine, which are used in treatment of AIDS, are synthetic nucleotide analog with alterations in sugar structure. Now, structure of DNA. Double helical structure of DNA was first proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. Watson Crick with their DNA model. Watson and Crick model of double-strand DNA helix. 5 In structure of DNA, DNA is polymer of deoxyribonucleotides, simply deoxynucleotide. It is composed of monomeric unit, namely deoxyadenylates. Other units are deoxyguanylate, deoxycitidylate, and deoxythymidylate. It may be noted here that some authors prefer to use TMP for deoxythymidylate. Why is such happens? Because thymidylate only found in DNA, not found in RNA, so not deoxy applied, so generally abbreviated as thymidylate. Monomeric deoxynucleotide in DNA are held together by 3' and 5' phosphodiester bridges. DNA structure is often represented in a shorthand form. Horizontal line indicates carbon chain of sugar with base attached to C1'. Near the middle of horizontal line is C3 phosphate linkage, while at the other end lies the C5 phosphate linkage. Chargaff's rule to DNA composition. This rule explains that equal number of adenine and guanine, equal numbers of adenine and thymine, and equal numbers of, according to Chargaff's rule, DNA had equal numbers of adenine and thymine residue and equal number of guanine and cytosine residue. This rule only follows in double helical structure of DNA, not obeyed in single-stranded DNA and RNA. Now, Watson and Crick model of DNA structure. A DNA molecule consists of two chains of deoxyribonucleotide coiled around each other in the form of double helix. Two helical DNA chains bind around each other on the same axis to form a right-handed double helix. Two chains are anti-parallel. One strands run in 5 to 3 direction, while opposite in 3 to 5 direction. Terminal residue whose C5' is not linked to another nucleotide is called the C5-in, and terminal residue whose C3 is not linked to another called the 3'-in. Two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between purine bases on one strand and pyrimidine bases on the opposite strand. Ring structure of base occurs in a flat plane perpendicular to the sugar phosphate backbone, resembling the steps on a spiral staircase. Base pairing maintains a constant distance between the sugar phosphate backbone of two strands as they twist around each other. Hydrogen bonds are formed between purine bases and pyrimidine bases only. A specificity is imposed on the base pairing by fixed location of hydrogen bonds. If two purine bases faces each other, they would not fit into a space available, and two pyrimidine would be too far apart to form hydrogen bond. Each nucleotide base of one strand is paired in the same plane with a base of the opposite strand. 3 hydrogen bonds are formed between the purine and guanine, and pyrimidine. For example, cytosine and guanine. While only 2 hydrogen bonds between purine adenine and the pyrimidine thymine. As a result, guanine always pairs with cytosine and adenine with thymine. This is called complementary base pairing. This specificity has tremendous significance in DNA self-replication and transcription. It is more difficult to separate the paired DNA strands rich in guanine cytosine pairing because 3 double bond pairing is stronger than 2 double bonds pairing. The deoxyribose and phosphate groups are hydrophilic in nature and hence are on outer side of double helix oriented towards the surrounding water molecules, while hydrophobic bases are stacked inside. Coiling of two strands creates a major groove and minor groove on the surface of duplex. Protein interact with DNA at these grooves without disrupting the double helix. Geometry of DNA duplex. Width of double helix is 20 angstrom. Each turn of helix is 34 angstrom with 10 pair of nucleotides. Each pair is placed at a distance of 3.4 angstrom. Because of the length, DNA are described in terms of base pairs or thousands of base pairs. Example 5 kb. Virus 250,000 kb humans. Two antiviral strands of DNA are not identical in their base sequence or composition but are complementary to each other. Wherever adenine occurs in one chain, thymine is present in other and vice versa. Similarly, wherever guanine occurs in one strand, cytosine is found in the other and vice versa. DNA duplex is stabilized by two forces, hydrogen bonding between complementary base pairs and non-specific base stacking interaction. A strand that is transcribed or copied into RNA molecule referred to as template strand or anti-sense strand. Other strand is sense or coding strand. However, it is noteworthy that each DNA strand can act as a template for the synthesis of its complementary strand. Hence, hereditary information encoded in sequence of bases on either strand. Chargaff's rule: the base composition of DNA varies in different species. DNA from different tissue of the same species have same base composition. Base composition of DNA species does not undergo any change with organism's age, nutritional status, or changing environment. In all species, number of adenine is equal to the number of thymine residue, and the number of guanine is equal to the number of cytosine residue. Thus, the sum of purine residue equal to the sum of pyrimidine residue. That is, adenine plus guanine equal to thymine plus cytosine. Now, different types of DNA: bDNA, aDNA, and zDNA. Unusual structure of DNA: Augustine pairing, triplex DNA, tetraplex DNA, palindromes. Most common DNA: bDNA. Now, denaturation of DNA. Two strands of DNA helix are held together by hydrogen bonds. Disruption of hydrogen bonds results in separation of polynucleotide strands by change in pH or increase in temperature. This phenomena of loss of helical structure of DNA known as denaturation. Organization of DNA: supercoiling of DNA, topoisomerase, nucleoprotein, histone, chromatin, covalent molecular nucleosome. These are found in organizational structure of DNA. Apart from DNA, also found mitochondrial DNA. Apart from nucleus, eukaryotic cells also have other organelles such as mitochondria and chloroplasts, which contain DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is capable of encoding certain proteins, and RNA mitochondria. The synthesis of about 13 proteins in the respiratory chain are encoded by mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA inherited from mother livers. Hereditary optic neuropathy arises from defect in mitochondrial DNA. Genes. Can a single gene be expressed into multiple gene products? Coding and non-coding sequence in genes, introns, exons, and transposons. These will be dealt in detail in concerned chapter. Centromeres and telomeres: nucleoprotein which link to the chromosome to the mitochondrial spindle during cell division are anchored to a specific region of DNA known as centromere. This ensures equal distribution of chromosomes cells to daughter cells. Guanine-rich sequence at the ends of eukaryotic chromosome known as telomeres. Telomeric DNA is synthesized and maintained by an enzyme known as telomerase. Loss of telomeric activity allows the gradual shortening of chromosome with each cycle of DNA replication, cell division, until there is this senescence, a stage at which there will be no more division, but this is the basis of aging. Nuclease is an enzyme that is capable of degrading nucleic acid. Now, types of RNA: messenger RNA located in cytoplasm and transfers genetic information from DNA to protein synthesizing machinery on ribosomes. Transfer RNA also occurs in cytoplasm. It translates information carried by messenger RNA to a specific sequence of amino acids that are incorporated into protein. Ribosomal RNA, it is a component of ribosome which are the site of protein biosynthesis. Heterogeneous RNA, it is a primary form of RNA in nucleus processed into messenger RNA. Messenger RNA synthesized a primary transcript from the template strand of DNA and later processed into messenger RNA having 5 capping and poly A tail. Synthesized heterogeneous RNA later converted into messenger RNA. Transfer RNA, also called adapter molecule that translates the information carried on messenger RNA to a specific sequence of amino acid. Transfer RNA 4 arm, acceptor arm, anticodon arm, D arm and T epsilon arm. Structure of transfer RNA. That is a structure of transfer RNA with different arms: acceptor arm, anticodon arm, D arm and T epsilon arm. What does acceptor arm? Acceptor arm is capped with a sequence of CCA 523' amino acid is attached to this acceptor arm. Amino acid is attached to this acceptor arm. Now, anticodon arm. This arm, 3 specific nucleotide bases responsible for recognition of triplet codon of messenger RNA. Triplet codon of messenger RNA. Codon and anticodon are complementary to each other. Now, D arm, also named due to the presence of dihydrouridine. D arm. T epsilon C arm. This arm contains a sequence of thymine pseudouridine represented by psi and cytidine C. And fifth is variable arm. This arm is most variable in transfer RNA. Based on this variability, transfer RNA classified into 2 forms. Class 1 transfer RNA, most predominant, about 75%, with 3 to 5 base pairs length. And class 2 transfer RNA that contain 30 to 20 base pair long arm. Base pair in transfer RNA. The structure of transfer RNA is maintained due to complementary base pairing in the arm. The 4 arms with their respective base pairs: acceptor arm 7 base pair, TFC T psi arm, not epsilon T psi arm, five base pair, anticodon arm 5 base pair, D arm 4 base pair. So arms in transfer RNA: acceptor arm, anticodon arm, D arm, T psi arm, and another is variable arm. Thank you.